sånn skøtt jo Arensalpa.
Today is the 9th of September 2021. We have Raappavuorenkuja 8, and it's ValmetSchlieren in Swedish. It's the sticky seat. This is the last stickest to be filmed in this projection building. It's here in Martinlaakso, modernized. Länsi-Vantaa, Väster-Vantaa, Väster-Vantaa, and Helsinki Postvision, Finland, Finland. Capacity is 4 persons of 320 grams. It was built by ValmetSchlieren in 1972. It's turning 50 years old in the next year, 2022. It's going to be inspected again. The number is VS2879. In the stickers 8, they have the P button for the ground floor, but it's the same thing as here because it's got also street level in this case. It means. All the floors on the doors are original still here.
Yeah.
I like this light, it's brighter here. You can see better.
Yeah.
Not in all these ValmetSchlieren lights from the 60s, 1970s. They have the light that bright.
Yeah.
It's very often in the late 1960s ValmetSchlieren ways that they are very dim and
Yeah.
it's too dark there.
Mm. Respektiivt paikki vain sieltä, niin eteenpäin Suomi hissirakoja.
Yeah. That's it. Thank you very much for watching, and of course you can watch the stages A and B in this residential building as well.
That's